I don't know. What do you think, Jess?
I don't know how you're going to eat that.
What do you think is what I'm even holding right now? What's it top? Is this supposed to go in there? I don't even know. I've lost the plot. There's the burger. Come and have a look at them. 2021. Hello, Food Review Club, and welcome back to the first video of the year. I am here in Northampton at 7 Bone. Now, I think we must have had hundreds and hundreds of messages about 7 Bone. A lot of people saying it's the best burger, best little takeaway for a burger they've ever had. Would you agree with that, Jess? A lot of messages.
Yeah.
A lot.
They're all over the UK, aren't they?
Are they?
Yeah.
Got a few locations?
Yeah.
I've got a menu here. I'm not going to say on the menu where else they're based, is it? Don't know where I'm looking. I think they've got one down south. I know for a fact they have. And this is one of their newer ones in Northampton. We actually came in, didn't we, before?
When it first opened.
When it first opened, we couldn't get a seat, couldn't get a table. Obviously, with the pandemic going on, it's now collection only. So we did a safe collection, and it looks good. So let's get on with the food. This is looking pretty mega. We've gone for a portion of wings, a burger, and some chips. Now, all of this was done via their app. We phoned up to see if they're open. They said, "Yep, order on the app." Jess, you did it whilst I was driving. What was the experience like? This is a full 360 review on this.
It was very easy on the app.
Was it?
Yeah.
Nice and simple?
Yeah, absolutely.
So our food came to, here you go, look. £24.95. £5.95 for the wings. The burger was £9.25. And the chippy fries. Oh, we've got a piece of fried chicken in the burger as well, Jess.
Yes, yeah, I upgraded the...
So the fried chicken extra was £3.75. This is like a £14 burger.
It was.
It's just £14.
£13.90 or so.
Jesus Christ. Okay, cool. Chippy fries and a Dr. Pepper. So let's just like dive into it. Right. That's the burger. Oh my God. That's an absolute packet. All right, cool. Let's just get it all out on the bonnet. Stuff it. What's this? Oi! Look at them. Right, let's go with that, yeah. So these are the Kim Jong Wang. Oh.
I feel like you've forgotten how to use your hands.
I'm warming up, my love. I'm warming up. So these are the Kim Jong Wing fries side straights. Wings. Goucher. Oh, no, it doesn't say goucher. I can't read that.
Do you want me to ring it?
All right, don't worry.
Let me read it.
Don't worry. Let's go. Come and have a nice close-up look at these. Here we go, food review fans. The FRC food family. What do you reckon? Please get in the comments. Let me know. Look the part, don't they? So these were $5.95. First impressions, not the biggest wings I've ever seen. However, they are very well presented. Nice bit of branded paper underneath. Let's get in with it. But I haven't got any tissue, have I?
No. I got
Classic.
some in the car.
Kim Jong Wang.
COVID.
Say again.
Look at your fingers.
First impressions of the wings. Pretty poor. Really surprised. A little bit rubbery to chew in a weird way. The meat was quite tender. At the same time, it had this like weird texture to it. Don't know what that was. Next to no flavour whatsoever from the sauce. Interesting. Really interesting.
Maybe I should have got you the crispy ones.
Maybe. No, the sauce just isn't doing a lot for me. I've got a slight tang of warmth in my mouth. Spring onion looks like, they look the part. But, yeah, I was expecting like a flavour slap. Just never really got it. Never came through. Very interesting. Kind of, they're all right. Yeah, whatever.
I think you should have the chips next.
Chips? All right, I'll do chips.
So they don't...
The burger's just completely falling apart, by the way.
Oh no.
It's just totally falling apart. Looks good though. Chips, here we go. So here's my chips. Okay, so we've got crushed knickknacks on top. I'm assuming, do these go on there as well?
Yeah. That's your sauce, isn't it? Is that your sauce? So they don't get soggy. That's good, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah, okay. Now these look like decent chips, to be fair. Let's pour these over.
So this is like their take on a chippy
Chippy chips.
curry sauce.
Curry sauce. Does that even go on there?
That's more. Or is
It's
that...
like what's it or something?
Oh no, that's for your burger.
That's my burger. Here we go. Chip chop chips. Curry sauce. Knickknacks. First impression of the fries. They're banging. Really nicely cooked. Yeah, that seasoning on top works really well with the curry sauce. Knickknacks.
What flavour knickknacks are they? Do you know?
Tastes like curry and chips at the moment. What do you think? Nice close up of these. Decent chips, to be fair. Nothing that's bowling me over though. Interesting. Now look, this has kind of unravelled itself. What has happened to that? Like, what is it? There's my burger.
Oh, it already had chicken in it.
No, it has the... Right, so this is the Donny burgers. Come to me, come to me, come to me. Here we go. The Donny J. Trump American cheese stuffed patty with deep fried pizza cheese, burger relish, and what's it topped? Look at my bun, by the way. It's just like... Look at that, that's my bun. Guys, I was expecting this to be amazing. And no doubt it's going to taste really good, but that bun... I don't know. What do you think, Jess?
I don't know how you're going to eat that.
What do you think is what I'm even holding right now? What's it top? Is this supposed to go in there? I don't even know. I've lost the plot. So there's the burger. Come and have a look at a nice close up of this. There's a burger, thick patty. That's your extra bit of chicken in there. I don't think we really needed that, my love. And I've got deep fried pizza with burger relish.
What?
Every now and again, you're saying that because you think this looks amazing.
That's so mental. Right, let's get your chops around it.
Look, like the bottom patty has just turned into nothing. Prime example of a bun that's not fit for purpose. Hasn't got that hold, that presence. We've spoken about this on the channel a lot. Please get in the comments, by the way. And if you think I'm talking rubbish, let me know. You guys have told me that this is the best burger going. Looks like the biggest mess going at the moment. You know what? Actually, I was not expecting that. It tastes like a banger.
Really?
With a better bun. Oh, what? That's actually decent.
Let me see inside. It smells incredible. Like a burger.
It's an absolute... Is it all over my face?
No.
It's an absolute mess. But the chicken is absolutely beautiful. It's got an amazing outer coating. Some really great warmth is coming through from the burger relish. We've got deep fried... Is it pizza cheese?
Yeah.
Which is glorious. I've got this really nicely cooked patty. Cheese. What's it's on top? This relish, by the way, is absolutely outstanding. I very, very nearly dismissed this place until I had the burger. Make no mistake, the bun is a disgrace. Your buns are not fit for purpose. But flavour? Right now, I'm in Flavour Town. Donny Trump. Is that what it's called, yeah?
Yeah.
Donny J. Trump. Okay. That's what the what's-its must be for his hair on top.
Yeah.
It's got to be. Wow.
Fake tan.
That is a really beautiful burger. The relish like cuts through it like a knife through butter. What is really warm, spicy heat in my mouth right now. There's textures going on. So, and it all comes from, look, a patty that's already got cheese. Yeah, wow.
It's got cheese in it.
Yeah. I mean, that's a hard hitting patty. Oh yeah. An absolute mess. Buns are pointless. Completely pointless. Much use as a waterproof tea bag or a solar powered torch. Serves absolutely no purpose whatsoever. Seven bone. I got it, my love. Seven bone. Like, interesting. Really cool. I was gonna say, before I bit into that, some places you go to, I actually said on my Instagram story, they had a really fun menu. Really fun, really wacky menu. Whoever designed the menu, bravo, it's fun. I love that sort of stuff. Some people would say gimmicky. And it's okay, verging on that side, the fun, gimmicky side of food, as long as your food backs it up. The wings did absolutely nothing for me whatsoever. Chips, really solid. Love the chip shop idea with curry sauce. The burger, I was like slipping into, is this who they are? Until I bit into it. The flavours really came through. Actually, that's the sort of burger I would definitely come back with. Come back with my wife and come for a meal. I want more. I don't think takeaway has done them any favours there. I think being in that wrapped up in the foil probably meant sweat, made the bun implode. Now, drink watch. This is where it really cut the men from the boys. Sorry about my ironing, by the way. Does it look really bad? I say ironing or lack of. Ready? Dr. Pepper. Now I'm going to try and decipher what we've had there. Try a couple more chips with knickknacks. It's just banging. Fun. Banging. Dr. Pepper. Making it all worthwhile. Right, 7 bone. Time for a score out of 10. And of course, I'm going to invite you guys all to get in the comments now and let me know what you think we're going to go with. What sort of score we're going to be verging on. Excuse me. I think I'm going to give this. I'm going to give it a score for everything. No, I'll do individually. The wings weren't completely horrendous. Actually, nice wings, but they just didn't have anything going on. Something wasn't working with them for me, in my opinion. I'm giving them like a 5 out of 10. Okay. I wouldn't be surprised though if they had other wings on the menu that were amazing. That particular wing, I'm not a fan of. Not what I can say about that. 5 out of 10. Chips. They're like a good 6.5. Burger. Really conflicting here because they haven't finished off the product with a good bun. However, I've looked past that. That is an absolute monster of a product. One that I definitely want to come have another go at. That for me is a 9. Even with the diabolical bun. So, you mathematicians out there, give me an average score of all that.
Because we can't.
Because I can't. I am thick AF. If I was going to do an overall, taking that into consideration, burger carries the most weight. Hence, it'd probably be like a mid-8 in total, mid to low 8. However, if the other two parts were on point and on fire, could be on with a monster on your hands here. But 7 bone, bravo. The flavours in that burger, including the relish, exceptional. Really, really cool. And all for the price of $24.95. Potentially pricey. It is when you add a £3.75 chicken burger in there, my love.
Shut up.
Not necessarily sure that was needed. However, I loved it. Especially the pizza cheese inside it. Who thinks of this stuff? Thanks for watching, everyone. That's our first review of 2021. We're going to be active. We're going to be out there. We're going to be producing so much more content this year. I promise. And that, ladies and gents, was another review. Thank you very much.